Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about your Windows PC setting internet. And in this video, I will show you on how to fix the problem of you are not connected to internet or fix the internet problem on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. So when you turn on your mobile Wi-Fi or your hotspot and you find out that the internet was not connected on your PC, what you need to do is to go ahead and come down below right here where you have your startup menu. Right click on that. Next thing you want to do is to proceed to settings. Now you are here. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to network and internet. Click on that. There's going to take you right here. So here you have not connected. You are not connected to any network. How do you solve this problem without even troubleshoot? What you need to do is to make sure you check on your settings properly. Then come to the sidebar right here where you have play mode right here. Go ahead and click on here play mode. The only thing you need to do right here is to make sure you turn off this. Once you turn off this, allow it to generate it and search for the internet. So next thing you want to do is to go back to your Wi-Fi status right here. So go ahead and click on Wi-Fi. When you click on your Wi-Fi, you can see your network hotspot has been found right here, which simply means that you are fully connected. And make sure this is turned on also. Go back to your network status right here. Click on your network status, just like so. Having clicked on network status, then it's take you right here. Then you have your network fully connected right here. As you can see, you are connected to internet. So with that, you can start browse internet without any stress. It's that simple. So this is how to fix if you are not connected to the internet on your Windows. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.